Becki-licious here. I have some leftover bananas, so I figured let's make some banana walnut muffins. All right, so I've already got my bananas all mashed up, and boy, you can smell them. They're so ripe. That's what I love about having some extra bananas. So we're going to add in a little bit of egg, 1 egg, already beaten up. Gotta have your sugar. Got to have your sugar. And then some melted butter. Okay, so let's get all of this in and get it all mixed up. I'm telling you, there's nothing better than freshly baked muffins. I don't care what kind. They're yummy, especially on a cooler day. Okay. All right, now we're going to switch over and we are going to add in our flour ingredients. Flour ingredients are all folded in. We are going to add our walnuts, because I do like to have nuts in my muffin. Once again, personal preference, of course. Hey, before I forget, don't forget, like and subscribe. Definitely share with your friends. Click on that link tree for some other fun stuff. All right, all mixed up, ready to go. Let's get these put in the muffin tin. Got my trusty scooper. And obviously we're gonna make these pretty healthy. I want nice big muffins. So we're gonna go a little heavy on these. And I've of course already put the Pam on the inside of this muffin tin, obviously. So you don't want anything sticking. So I think we're just gonna start out with doing a small batch at a time, because I want these, like I said, I want these to puff up nice and big. Almost bakery style, as I believe is what they call it. Okay, now one last little thing. I cut up a little bit of cold butter and some brown sugar and some cinnamon, a little bit of flour. So this is going to kind of be like a little topper along the top. So we're going to try to get this without making too much of a mess, which I know is easier said than done. And of course, I've already got my my oven's already preheated, 375. You know the drill. Yep, I'm making a mess. But if you don't make a mess in the kitchen, you're not having any fun, are you? Or at least that's my philosophy. All right, that's it. We're gonna get these thrown in the oven. All right, these are going in the oven for, like I said, about 18 to 20 minutes or so. We will obviously check their progress along the way. So see you back here. All right, these have actually been in for about 25 minutes. Since I made them a little on the bigger side, they needed to stay in a little bit longer, but they smell absolutely amazing. Banana Nut Muffins. Don't they smell amazing? If you can smell them, trust me, they do. I've made this recipe dozens of times. I've had this recipe forever, and it's just absolutely the perfect. Look at that, the perfect size, the perfect everything. And if you could smell them, you would totally agree. So, and it's a small amount. That's what I love about it. So there you go. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you had fun. You know that I always do. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.